Recently, I completed 200 hours Kundalini yoga teacher training online with my favorite yoga teacher Stella through Nirvana Yoga E-Shala at Mysore, India. And when I started with the training, I knew just very little about Kundalini and Kundalini yoga. So I started first with 50 hours training, but very fast, how the practice was going on, I completely fell in love in the training and in Kundalini yoga. So I continued with 100 hours, and then I ended up doing 200 hours of this training. And I can say this was one of the best decisions that I have made. At the beginning, I wasn't really sure how the training is gonna look like because it's an online training, but actually I truly enjoyed it. And the thing is that you can do it from the comfort of your own home, and it's only you, so you can completely focus on just yourself and your own practice. And because of that, I really liked it. I'm continuing now with the 200 hours of online Hatha Yoga teacher training with Stella, and I'm looking forward to that. And I want to recommend to every one of you who is still thinking, deciding about taking an online training or Kundalini training, just do it. You won't regret it. And at the same time, I want to express my all gratitude to my amazing yoga teacher Stella, not only for the amazing training, the practical classes and the theory classes, but for all the guidance and support and this beautiful journey of Kundalini yoga, journey of self-transformation. Thank you and Sat Nam.